My mom arguing with the shopkeeper to give the $500 jacket for $1. The shopkeeper. Me for whom the jacket is being bought. Video of Taylor Armstrong crying in a show, me trying to remember where did I saw this women. My girlfriend saying drunk me did nothing wrong. Me wondering why my girlfriend is yelling at the Uber driver. Google Maps woman want me to turn around. Me who know a better shortcut. Two programmers yelling at each other. My stepsister saying I'm mean. Me saying you can't play with me because I'm violent. Internet chastising me for not doing anything about global warming. Me having no idea what I even can do about it. Someone saying that video games cause violence. An elderly lady playing Candy Crush. You said you liked eating mice. I lied. My mom saying video games causes violence. Me eating villagers, harvesting crops, and building houses. My teacher scolding me for not doing homework. Me wondering which subject does he teach. My teacher scolding me for not bringing the pen. Me thinking why the peon is inside the class. Women yelling at me for staring at her body. Me reading quotes written in her t-shirt. My mom telling me how useless I am. 12-year-old me playing Minecraft. My parents when I was born. And me who can't even think. If you work hard then you play hard. If you hard then you hard work play. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.